Greetings, esteemed teachers. Welcome to our automated SF2 with letter generator. We have designed this tool to simplify your administrative tasks. Let's begin by entering the school information. Next, input the details of each student, including their names. If you wish to send letters to parents or guardians, kindly provide their information as well. Now, let's address the first crucial question. How many male students do you have in the first Friday of the school year? Similarly, please answer the second question. How many female students do you have in the first Friday of the school year? It is essential to answer these questions accurately, as their responses will impact the efficiency of the formula in the automated SF2. To proceed to the SF2, click the yellow button, which will direct you to the appropriate section. Once there, you can mark the checkbox beside the dates when classes are scheduled. Please ensure that dates without any classes are left unchecked. For absent students, simply input an X and leave the space blank for present students. Adhering to these steps is crucial for accurate computation. If you want to optimize space and save paper, you can choose to reveal only the rows that contain student names. Simply click the designated button to activate this feature. Furthermore, this automated SF2 allows you to customize the font style and page layout according to your preference. Once you are satisfied with the data input and formatting, you may proceed to print the SF2 by clicking the designated button. For printing letters, choose the name of the student for whom you wish to generate a letter for their guardian. Set the date when the letter is created. Afterward, click the print button. If your default printer is turned on, the letter will be printed accordingly. If you have any suggestions or feedback, we greatly appreciate your input. Please feel free to share them in the comment section.